Want to make mods or VIPs feel special when they enter your chat? I'll show you how to do it with Mixitup Bot. Once you log into Mixitup Bot, you want to go and click the hamburger. You want to go down to User, then find the user you want to give an intro to. Click the Edit button on it. And you want to scroll down to Options. You want to click Add a Command. Now at this point you want to have any image or video or sound that you want to add as their intro. For this user, I want to add a YouTube clip. So I clicked Overlay, Image and Video. Next you're going to click right here where it says Text and you're going to go to YouTube. You're going to copy the URL into there. So for this video, I need it to be 860 by 500. I want to turn it down a little bit because I'm not trying to blow anybody's eardrums. And then the duration, I'm going to, just for this tutorial, put it as 5, but I would normally have it as 43. Now from here, you're able to adjust where you want it, if you want it at the bottom, if you want it in the middle. I currently want mine at the middle. You can even add in a chat message that happens when they come in as well as the video. You can add a sound, you can add an image, a GIF, anything you want. For this one, I am just doing a YouTube clip, and this is what will play when the person first talks in my chat. It's just a simple and fun thing to make your viewers or your VIPs or mods feel special when they come into your chat. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.